What happened? If you go to bed tired, want to sleep, but you cannot, your brain keep thinking and you will not be able to sleep. Let's talk about. This is a common sleep problem known as racing thoughts or sleep-onset insomnia, where your brain won't shut off even though you're tired. This can be caused by several things. Possible causes. 1. Stress or anxiety, worrying about things that happened during the day or what's coming tomorrow. 2. Overstimulation before bed, using phone, watching intense shows, or doing work late. 3. Poor sleep habits, sleep hygiene, irregular sleep schedule, too much caffeine, or not winding down properly. 4. Mental overload. If your day is packed or emotionally heavy, your brain may try to process it at night. 5. Underlying conditions, sometimes linked to anxiety disorders, depression, or ADHD. What you can do to fix it. 1. Create a sleep routine. Sleep hygiene, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even weekends. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens, TV, phone, computer at least 30-60 minutes before sleep. 2. Relax your mind before bed. Try deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation. Apps like Calm, Insight Timer, or Headspace can guide you. 3. Journal before bed. Write down your thoughts or worries for the next day. This helps your brain offload so it doesn't keep cycling at night. 4. Cut back on stimulants. Avoid caffeine, coffee, energy drinks, tea, soda after p.m. Limit alcohol or nicotine near bedtime. Both can affect sleep quality. 5. Limit late-night stimulation. No heavy conversations, work, or intense TV or games right before bed. Do something calming, reading, stretching, or listening to soft music. 6. If you can't sleep in 20-30 minutes, get out of bed, go to another quiet room, and do something calming. No screens. Go back to bed only when you feel sleepy. Don't force it. If it keeps happening, if this happens regularly for more than a few weeks, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor. You may be dealing with generalized anxiety, insomnia disorder, or another condition that can be managed with therapy, lifestyle changes, or in some cases, medication.